I'm going to a red carpet event and I'm going to be doing my own hair. So Maria is showing me how to get a red carpet hairstyle or a good holiday look.
Start at the top as normal. You're just gonna come down slowly because we want to give it time to really put that curl in, make it long lasting. It's a long event, I'm assuming you're gonna
Yep,
be.
hours.
So we want to make sure it's locked in. So how we lock it in is once you get the great curl, you're gonna take your embellish. So you're gonna spray that section. And then all you have to do is, see how the curl goes around? If you just put your fingers in there, it'll loop right around like a ribbon. You see that? You're gonna have these clips with you and you're just gonna clip it.
Okay.
When you get down into the bigger parts of your hair, you can take bigger sections and bigger clips.
Okay.
That whole thing can go into a clip. We're gonna do one spray all over real quick, and then you're not gonna take it down until it's the last thing you do. Then you're gonna just take the smoothie brush right through all of these.
Maria, I can totally do this. I can do this. I've always wanted to know how to do my hair like this, like literally for years.
So we're gonna go from here to the front of the ear, right? We're gonna take that section.
Okay.
And this we're gonna do pretty slick. We're gonna use just a thin little rubber band because then you can like have it super tight. Then you can put your
A barrette
thing
right
that
there,
you're
which
getting.
I'm gonna find. Okay.
It'll be dressy and this
Yeah.
is more dramatic.
Oh my gosh, I
Now
love
you
this.
can do one, you can do two, you can do three.
I can totally do this. Thank you. I can totally do this. I'm so happy. Yay.